For the ones who don't know, I have my own small business, an online gift shop, where my mom and I sell different products such as handmade jewelry and accessories, stainless steel jewelry, and also artwork pieces to decorate home. During COVID and post-COVID, we have to renovate our business in different ways, bringing new ideas to promote our business, using business cards, recording reels, and posting creative posts in our social media. Participating in art fairs so people get to know us and we can attract more clients, but it's never been enough.
Hi, my name is Helen and welcome to my art and craft channel, Expressions, the DIY channel. Guys, welcome to a new tutorial. Today I will bring you a new idea to promote our own business. I know it can be very simple, but as long as you wear it all the time, people will ask you, people will get to know more about your business. So no more preamble and let's get into the video.
For this tutorial, I will use these colorful materials. This is a very beautiful and colorful nylon thread, and this is a very colorful satin rattle silk cord, which combine perfectly. I will also use these leather beads to create the name of my shop. And I will need my tools like scissors, a ruler, and a lighter. So let's start. First, I will measure 60 centimeters approximately from the nylon thread. And then I will take the rattle cord and I will burn one of the ends. Then I will make a knot with the nylon thread on the rattle cord. I will apply silicone or super glue carefully on the cord so the thread doesn't move. Now I can start to make the macrame spiral knot. This is a very simple knot. You can learn it in this tutorial step by step. I will keep applying silicone at least in the first 10 knots to keep it safe and strong. Let's keep making the same knot. Till we get this result, a beautiful and colorful espiral cord, until we complete the 20 or 25 centimeters, but that will depend on the size of your neck or how loose you want the necklace. Now it's time to insert all the beads in the cord, but it might be a little bit difficult because if you realize there is no end. I used the whole nylon thread because I didn't know how much nylon I had to use. So now I have to use this side to pass through all the beads. After a few minutes, I made it. Before I move all the beads to the left side, I will apply some silicone to keep the nylon thread together with the rattle cord, and the beads stick on the cord. Then we continue making the espiral knot till we complete the same size of the previous one. In my case, was 20 centimeters approximately. Once we finish, we can cut the rattle cord, leaving 5 centimeters to make a nice end. I'm going to pull some knots because I want to apply silicone at least in the last 5 knots. Once it's done, I can cut the excess of the cord and bar the end. Then I can finally cut the excess of the nylon thread. Now that I finished with the first necklace, oh by the way, I will make 2 necklaces because the phrase of my shop is too long. Okay, let's do the same procedure with the second necklace, but this one has to be a little bit longer. Let's check. I think 0.5 centimeters works for me, but remember that will depend on the size of your neck or how loose you want the necklace. We will do the same procedure as the previous necklace. The only difference is that I didn't want to pass the beads for the left side because it was a little bit hard. In this case, I took the risk and I cut a certain amount of cord and wrapping around on an eraser to make it easier. I know it's a lot of work, you just need to have patience because you will love the result. In this part, to separate the words, I will make a knot with the thread and the cord. I finally finished the second necklace, I just need to work on the ends of the cords. And they're ready to be together. They need to have the same size of nylon thread, 30 centimeters approximately. Use some silicone to connect the ends together. Before I decorate those ends, I need to make the final knot. I will use this beautiful necklace that I have as an example. I really love this knot, it's very simple and popular. I already showed you how to do it in this tutorial. So we intertwine all the threads, get a piece of thread from my leftover cup, and then let's make the final knot. Cut the excess and burn it carefully. We're almost done. I will stick both ends with silicone and I will decorate them with some cute beads. These are my favorite ones and combine perfectly with the colors of the necklace. Once they are in, I will take only 15 centimeters approximately from the thread and I make a knot. Cut the excess of the thread and burn the end and ta-da!
creation can be used not only to promote our own business, but also to make it as a present for our bestie. I really hope you like this video, and if you do so, please don't forget to give a thumb up, share the video with your friends or in your social media, and the most important, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell button for notifications. Have an amazing day and see you soon with another tutorial. Ciao!